Hi, my name is Dr. Sanan. I'm a double board certified facial plastic surgeon practicing in Boston, Massachusetts. And in this video I want to talk to you about one of my surgical passions, and that is deep plane facelift and neck lift surgery. So the video will be broken down into different segments. We'll start talking about what is deep plane surgery. So deep plane surgery has been around for decades. It's made a recent resurgence because a lot of celebrities and A-list people are looking better than ever, and they're admitting to having deep plane facelift and neck lift surgery. So a deep plane facelift is different than a traditional facelift because in traditional facelifts, the skin was lifted and the superficial muscle layer was tightened with some stitches, and then the patient's skin was pulled back and closed. Traditional facelifts resulted in kind of an overpulled look or a windswept look, and the scarring tended to not be favorable. In addition, traditional facelifts lasted for a shorter period of time, and the results weren't as natural as deep plane surgery. In deep plane facelift and neck lift surgery, the skin is limited in terms of its dissection. The focus of the rejuvenation is in the muscle layer. So by going underneath the smaz layer of your face, there are ligaments that tether and pull your face down, which result in aging. By sharply cutting these ligaments, you have full control over the muscle layer of someone's face and neck. We lift everything vertically because we know that's the direction that we age in, and then any extra skin is removed. Deep plane facelift and neck lift surgery results in the most natural results, and it has the longest lasting results as well. Patients look 10 plus years younger, and they're starting to age from a new starting point. A question people ask when they come in for their facelift consultation is, how long will my results last? I'm very hesitant to quote a number to patients because there's so many factors that go into this answer. Not only your age, but also genetics, your skin type, the way that you're kind of aging with time. But typically with deep plane surgery, for the upcoming decade, you're just gonna age from a new starting point and you're gonna look simply really pretty, beautiful, and it's gonna last you for that 10 to 15 years. It could last longer, it could last for a shorter period of time. It just depends on your body. If you have a lot of weight changes, that can also impact how long your results last. But I can confidently tell you, deep plane surgery, the results last significantly longer than the old school traditional ways of doing facelifts. Deep plane surgery is one of my surgical passions. By addressing the root cause of aging, not only can you make somebody's lower face and their neck as tight as possible, but they simply look better than ever. Many of my patients tell me, especially after a deep plane neck lift, that they've never had as sharp of a contour of their neck definition in their entire life, including their teenage and 20s. Same thing with their lower face. They're concerned about their jowls, that they don't like to see the way they look in a profile picture or 3/4 picture. All those concerns simply evaporate as soon as they see their results. We typically take the patient's before and after photos at their 3-month mark, and we love to see their side-by-sides because it's funny that people forget what they used to look like, and when they see themselves in their after, they recognize a younger, more beautiful version of themselves. That's the beauty of deep plane surgery. If you're interested in talking about a deep plane facelift and neck lift consultation, I'd be happy to see you in my Boston, Massachusetts practice.